What's up, YouTube? This is SMD Productions, and we're here to show you an unboxing of some stuff we just bought at the shack. So let's get started with this. First we got this. I don't even know what the hell this is. Why do we even buy this, man? Anyways, it's a soldering iron, I guess, like fucking metal or some shit. He said he wants to mod his controller. The cameraman. But I don't know, we'll find out. So it's staple, and I don't know what this is for. It says Radio Shack. And this is pretty much it. Alright, let's put that aside. Now, we bought some wire. It's 24 gauge. I mean, we didn't really need this much for what we're doing, but we said, heck, why the hell not, you know? So, yeah, I don't know how to open this, man. What the fuck? We'll open that later. And last but not least, these are our Momentary push button switches, and this is to activate the rapid fire, as you would say. These weren't all that expensive. It was like $3 for 4, so you think about it, it's like 80 cents a piece. And there's only 4 of them. There's two black and 2 red, but we're having technical difficulties here.
Weak.
Alright, this is gonna work out. This is like rubber on steroids. Oh, here we go. Whoop-de-fucking-do. There's a way to open it. Okay. Yeah, you just push them. And they're 2-prong. Let's move these aside. Back to this stupid piece of crap. Well, it's just wire that's coiled up, basically, as you can see. And actually, we just got home, and there's no way to do this unboxing without, I guess, scissors. We weren't ready for this, but let's try and give it a go anyways. And there we go, guys. It is out. It's just wire basically coiled up, as you can see. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And once again, the shack thanks you. Alright, bye.